Before you dive into any video on this channel, watch this first. It will save you time and make sure you walk away with something you can actually use. Every video on Agile Career Forge is built around one goal, giving you a specific, actionable fix. You can apply to your resume, your LinkedIn, or your interview prep the same day you watch it. Here is how to get the most out of each one. Tip 1. Don't skip the middle. Most viewers drop off after the first 2 minutes. That's exactly where the before and after examples, the metrics, and the specific fixes live. If you only watch the hook and skip to the end, you are missing the most actionable part of the video. Tip 2. Pause and apply. These videos are not meant to be watched passively. When you see a before and after resume example, pause the video. Pull up your own resume. Ask yourself, does my resume have this problem? If yes, fix it before you move on. Tip 3. The metrics checklist at the 5-minute mark. In most of my resume videos, there is a product metrics or outcome metrics list around the 5-minute mark. That list is your homework. Pause the video when you see it. Write down every metric from your own career that matches something on that list. Those numbers belong on your resume. Tip 4. The discovery call link is in every description. If at any point during a video you think, I need help doing this for your specific situation, you do not have to wait until the end. The discovery call link is in the description of every single video on this channel. Book it whenever you are ready. No pitch, no pressure, just clarity. Now go watch the video you came here for. And this time, watch the whole thing. I'll see you in there.